too?
It needs customer verification. It was already ready. Oh, thank you so much. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am filling my tank up. Alright, so the good thing about that price is I do get some money back using the Get Upside app. Gotta cool my car back off. Man, this sucks. I wanted to come out earlier. I had a dash set for breakfast because it's a little cooler in the mornings and didn't really work out in my favor. Alright, somebody just pulled up behind me, so I got to move. Alright, I'm getting an order at China Walk. Let's see, where is the pickup? It says it's in the plaza across the street. 5 miles for $10. It is, let me zoom all the way in. It's a business and it's not in the area I want to go to, so I'm gonna decline that. So I like to zoom all the way in to see where it's taking me. Is it a house? Is it a business? But also that was like, that's not in the area I want to be in. So I have my Uber Eats and my DoorDash on. I'm tracking my miles with the Solo app. You could either have it do it automatically, where after your shift you go in and you swipe what miles were like personal or what miles were business. You just swipe the other way, or you could turn it on manually, which is what I like to do. So you're just tracking your whole shift from start to finish. Solo has been expanding their smart scheduling with the guaranteed earnings. Last month they launched in California, and now they are launching in New York City as of July 12th. That was a few days ago, so it is already launched there. Let's see. Bro, what? Okay, I gotta show you this. $4 for 13 miles. It's one order. Wild. But like I was saying, Solo is now launching their guaranteed earnings in New York City. That's the newest update with Solo. They're always launching in new cities. Here are all the cities they are currently available with the smart scheduling guaranteed earnings, which is probably one of their best features if you do want to become a member with the subscription. There's a 14-day free trial if you want to check that out, and all their other features are completely free. I'll put a link down below. You could also get $10, ooh, $8. That looks a little better for 7 miles. I'm not going to do that either. You could also get $10 by downloading Solo, linking any gig app, and link your Venmo or your PayPal, whichever one you have, and that's how they're going to pay you out. You'll get the bonus the following Tuesday, and then whenever you start like making money back with the guaranteed earnings, that's how they're going to pay you also, just the following Tuesday. So we are heading into Brandon. I think I'm gonna go by the mall. Normally I like to avoid the mall area, but y'all, it has been so slow that I'm getting desperate out here. Oh, it went away. $7 for like 14 miles. I'll put it on the screen. I just got to the mall and I'm blown up with orders on Uber and DoorDash. They are upside down though, like where the miles are more than the dollar signs. So, I mean, at least I'm getting orders. Alright, Taco Bell. What is this? What is this? DoorDash? Probably, nope, it's not better. Taco Bell. Got it. Alright, so we are heading to Taco Bell on Uber Eats. I'm going to pause my dash. Oh, it paused it for me. Paused it for me. Alright, I got the goods. I didn't film it because I had to use the bathroom. always feels like that. Feels like something's missing. All right, she is 0.8 miles away. Please hand to bartender inside. Hi, for Haley. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a good day. Yeah. So technically, that was a $10 order. Sweet. I love that so much. Cash tips. Bruh. They make me so happy. $2 base pay for that. So she put $3 on there. So she tipped $8 for a crunch wrap and a taco, whatever she got. It was like 2 things. Apple. It's from the Apple store in the mall, I believe. $8 for 11 miles. And it needs customer verification. Bro, that is not for me. All right, I accepted a 9-something order for Buffalo Wild Wings. Yeah, DoorDash for Antonio. Yes, thank you. It was already ready. Oh, it smells spicy. Tell me why I can get no relief. I did not see him like walking out. Oh, it's a leave it door. Hold up, bro. Come back here. Oh, he's gonna sit right there. That's awkward. Oh no, that's awkward. Don't see me taking a picture. Okay. It stayed at $9.76. Sweet $5 tip. All right, that puts us at about $20. Finally, you know, finally we making some money over here. $20 in about an hour and 20 minutes. Okay, it started off a little like $5 an hour, but we made up for that. All right, I gotta show y'all this in real time. Otherwise, I don't think anyone will believe me. $4.73 for 14.1 miles. This has to be a joke. $4.30, 12.6 miles. Somebody's joking. Somebody's punking me. Who is on my app? What is going on? Is that the same? That's for the same Chipotle. Is that the same order I just declined? I feel like I'm being punked, yo. Oh, I gotta change my battery out. I just got an order. I forgot to take a picture of it because it was actually a decent order. I'm over here only taking pictures of the crazy ones, but $10.75. It's at the Applebee's right across the street. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, I didn't pause my Uber yet, but yo, $4.38, 12 miles. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Alright, this is for 1 item. Hi, how are you? Thank you. 2? We got the goods. It was already ready. Alright. Oh my god, I'm blurry. Hello. Alright, I delivered that. I'm not going. $3 for 6 miles.
GPS signal lost.
GPS signal lost. I just delivered that. My battery died. It came out to the $10.75. I'm now at $20.50 on DoorDash and Uber Eats. I'm at the oh my god. Oh, sushi. Hold up. Sushi. $8. Alright, we're gonna accept that. It's $8 for 4 miles. Okay. Anyways, let me see. Yeah, Uber is at $5 and then the $5 cash. So that puts me at a little over $30. I'm gonna go get this $8 order. Hold up. We're gonna go get this $8 order. It's heading me towards, you know, the way I live. I need to get home to pick up everyone and go grocery shopping because I forgot that's what we have to do today. We got no food, okay? The kids have been snacking like crazy, and we have a deep freezer now. So that's like a game changer. I've been filling it up. Like every time I go grocery shopping, I buy extra stuff to put in there. So that's nice. I mean, I made decent money. I declined a decent amount of orders. I got a decent amount of screenshots. I'm still shocked, you guys. Like, is Uber Eats that crazy for you? Like, are you seeing $4 for 17 miles or whatever I was shown multiple times? Imagine this was my first shift on Uber Eats. I got those two $10 ones on DoorDash. So just imagine this is my first shift on Uber Eats. I got a $5 order, which was decent, and then those outrageous ones. Like, I would uninstall the app right away. So that's gonna be it for this video. Let me know if you enjoyed it by giving it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.